Tips if you want to get started with using a virtual background within Zoom to make therapy a little more interesting or engaging. So what the things that you'll need are some kind of plain background behind you. You can use a solid color wall, but green has worked for me. I just have a piece of material tacked up behind me, and then I cut the same exact, you need to match your material and your pockets, but you cut the same exact color pockets and tape them on so that they're movable. You can put them, depending on what your background is, you can put them in different places. So in order to use the virtual background, I have it off now, but you go down and go to this little up arrow next to your stop video button. That'll give you an option to choose a virtual background. And then you can upload any picture or image, any image or video that you'd like. If you choose a video, it's going to keep replaying the same video over and over and over again, and there's no way to stop the video. So I've had the most luck with choosing a solid image, and then you can toggle between images if you want the image to change. I'll show you with that. If you wanted to add one right here, you can add image or add video. So I've been adding an image, and I believe it has to be a JPEG image. Here's one that I already uploaded. I started with this background with just a campsite with a lake behind because I wanted to be able to talk about different things. I decided that I just wanted these images static and not movable so that I could use my pocket with the tent. So here is what the other things that you'll need. So you turn on your virtual background, you select the picture, and then what I did was I cut out a whole bunch of different, here's a lantern, I printed and cut a kayak, oh, can't sit over there, a kayak, a few different things. Anyway, what you do, I typically bring the object a little bit closer to the camera to talk about what it is and decide what we're going to do with it. And then so I put tape on the back of the things. I've noticed that some people use felt as a background, and they can use cut out felt objects and they would stick right to it, but I've been using different objects all the time, so for me it was easier just to put some tape on the back. And so if you want the object to go into the pocket and disappear, you can just move it to where it goes. I have a sleeping bag here. You can put it right into where it goes. One other fun thing that I have is you can make things float. So this one is, I'll show you while I'll turn my background off so that you can see. I just have a stick with construction paper on the outside, and so maybe I don't notice what's behind me and I call attention to it, or the students can call attention to it if I don't notice. If I hide my hand, it's a little better. So that's fun for commenting and things like that. So I hope you have fun. It's been a learning process, but so basically the things you need are a solid color and some objects printed out. So thanks and good luck. Have fun.